Okay, so this is our next how-to for our first week of the Raspberry Pi Virtual Camp. It's also going to be the last video where we videotape the screen this way. Once we have the Wi-Fi set up, I'll be filming it through Camtasia through another monitor, so you'll be actually able to see it more clearly. But for right now, until we get the Wi-Fi set up, we can't do that. So what we're going to do is set up the Wi-Fi. Now, as I said before, there's the Raspberry Pi 3 has wireless internet. If you're using a 2, please let me know, and I will be happy to assist you if you have difficulty setting up your internet. Okay, on the Pi. So, but this video is for a 3. So if I'm using the 3, I come over here, and you'll see it says link is down. WETH0 link is down. That's the Ethernet. WLAN 0 not associated. WLAN 0 refers to the wireless antenna that's on the Pi. So if I click here, you'll see a little sign, warning or a message that says set Wi-Fi country on localization tab of Raspberry Pi configuration to enable Wi-Fi. Okay, and you're like, what does that mean? All right, so it's really a lot simpler than it might seem at first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the Pi menu, which if you're used to using Windows, it's basically like a little start menu that's similar to Windows here. It just happens to be in the upper portion of the monitor instead of the lower portion. Now, cameraman, are you zooming in on this part here?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to click on Preferences or Roll Over Preferences, and then I see Raspberry Pi Configuration, and I'm going to left click on that. Okay. So now, remember over here, our message said, set Wi-Fi country on localization tab of Raspberry Pi configuration to enable Wi-Fi. So we see 4 tabs here: System, Interfaces, Performance, Localization. Okay? So let's go, we're going to click over to Localization from System, which is the default tab, and we're going to click on Set Wi-Fi Country. And when we do that, you're going to go to your country. In my case, it's the United States. And almost there. Whoop. Hit OK. So now it says country, US, United States. I'm going to hit OK. Okay. And then I'm going to hit OK. Now when I click on it, you'll notice that there are a bunch of different available routers. Here's my router. Here's my router's extension, and then there's a bunch of other different things. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to go to MJ Wi-Fi in my case. You just go to your home router, and I'm going to put in the key. So you just put in whatever your key is. And I prefer not to share my password on the entire internet, so I'll be right back. And so you've put in your password and you hit OK. And now you'll notice that this Wi-Fi indicator comes up. It has a check mark next to my router, and it shows the strength of my Wi-Fi signal. So now let's test it. Let's go to the internet, which is this little globe here, and click on that. So I'm just going to, now that I have the web browser open, I'm just going to go to Google and hit enter, google.com. And there it is. Now I'm not going to take the privacy checkup today. So now you have your Raspberry Pi on the internet. So work through that how-to. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to post it to the discussion forum of the site. We will have a discussion later in the week. But But until then, if you have any questions whatsoever of any of these how-tos, you can post it in the discussion forum, you can send me a message through OutSchool, or you can email me at John, John, F as in Frederick, SOMERS @outlook.com. So those are 3 different ways to message me to help walk you through the next step with your Pi. All right, take care.